What's up everyone? My name is VISNOVA and I've been creating an innovative path for avatars and animations since 2007. Okay, now before I get started, if you want to become a creator, check out the free course and the free weekly poses on imvu.dev. This will help you get kickstarted. Look, I know how hard it is to become a creator. There are a different set of problems from when I started in 2007. When I started, all the things you see today, like custom idols for avatars and scalers and anything related to actions and animations, hadn't even been created yet. Now, it's more about having an edge on the competition. So how do you get that edge? You need the skills that will let you think outside the box. Now listen, you may not even know who I am or what I've created on IMVU, and that's okay. So first, I want to give you a little history lesson on my creations. Now let's roll back to 2007. 2007 was when I created my first pose. Well, actually it was a set of poses called rocker poses. In 2008, I created Prima Donna. Now she was the first fully functional avatar with custom idols and triggerable poses. Not long after that, I created GQ. He was the first male avatar with custom idols and 50 poses. Actually now he has over 100 on him. One of the other really cool things I created in 2008 was pose billboards. Loaded in your room and anyone can jump in and pose. Now, even to this day, they sell very, very well. By the way, I have a billboard course and a free billboard that comes with it. I created many more avatars in 2008 with new innovations that had never been achieved before. Like for example, breathing on an avatar. Now this is tricky as hell to accomplish. Check out the course on that, all my secrets are revealed. Also non-smiling avatars, pose variations, and modifiers, and even expressions with time variations, and a lot of other things. In 2009, I created Celebrity and the male version LX. These two were really a game changer. You could even trigger the height on the avatars. 2010 was a huge year. It was when I released Pandora. Pandora was a software that could create poses live in IMVU. You could then sell them. This was one of the biggest products to hit IMVU ever. In 2011, I went to a mocap studio and I recorded the first mocap avatar modeled by a developer, which I called Alpha. Now this was a wicked experience, you should check out the video. In 2012, I was the first developer to add scalers to an avatar. I called her Lush Federation X. Still to this day, no one else has quite got it right. There is also a scalar course available, so be sure to check that one out. In 2013, I created Honey, the first avatar with raw dynamic defaults. In other words, hand animated idols that blend with no motion capture. In 2014, I created the male version, Maxim. Now, also in 2014, I became a reseller and created exclusive products for members that purchase credits from me. This was very successful and the exclusives are still available. Unfortunately, the reseller program is no longer active. I continued to develop more avatars and new innovations. But what's really important is not only to create new innovations, but to improve the quality of those innovations. There is always improvements that can be made to products. Now, I took a break from IMVU for around 2 years, and I'm glad I did because I came back with a fresh set of eyes. And now I'm in a position where I can teach some of those secret little techniques that are unique to my creations. If you want to learn how to create the highest quality poses and animations, you're in the right house. Now remember, I have free poses available weekly. Now they are royalty free, so you can use them in your catalog. Now there is free and premium content, and even an affiliate program. It is all available on imvu.dev. Hey listen, I love to teach, and I truly believe that you will be on another level after checking out some of these courses. Become the best creator you can be and go forth and conquer, my friends.